Hi, I'm Daisy.
I'm Jennifer. Now we are in Forest Park.
Our purpose is to go to Lake Pipa. This is Lake Pipa. Pipa Lake is a natural freshwater lake in Taiwan.
It's located on the outskirts of the northeast of Taidong City, Taidong County, south of the mouth of the Beinan River, and within Taidong Forest Park.
Its name for its shape resembling a pipa.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.